Yeah? Look. You put your trains and your track and everything in the bag.
Want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Show you how to zip it up.
It's a zipper. Ooh. Can I play with them?
You still got a couple more presents.
See? It's like a bag. It keeps all your trains in here.
Can you open? Can you zip it up? Unzip it?
It unfolds into a playmat too.
This train. Where's the train toy?
You gotta put your own toys in it.
My own?
Yes, your own.
See that?
Yeah, there's Henry. And Thomas. And there's Cranky, my friend. And James. There's Bertie, too. Where's the...
Who's the helicopter?
There one. And there's Percy. And there's Mavis. Toby and Gordon and James. That looks like...
Hey Owen,
Huh?
you've got a couple more presents.
Couple. Open these ones. This one's my favorite one to open. What's this? Here.
It is extra cute.
What?
It's really cute.
Yeah.
It's a fire truck.
You like fire trucks, right?
Yes, I do. I can pull it off.
Oh, it doesn't come all the way off. You just gotta take the truck out. Let me use that box, because the fire truck was very hard to wrap.
It's a car. It's a car.
What kind of car is that?
A Volkswagen.
There you go.
There's all my
I think there's one more.
Where is it? There's one right here.
Oh, look, there's one.
Who's coming down the stairs?
I don't know who is coming down the stairs.
Megan, I have presents I got.
Cool.
And it's Molly.
Yeah.
Are you gonna open the one you've got in your hands? Would you like a seat?
This one? Or this one?
Go.
Oh,
Will you
yeah.
open this one?
Yoan, open this present.
Okay,
She's only been trying to get
So
hold
one
of me for
more.
an hour.
Oh,
So I am opening inside here. It's something, okay? This has to find it. Yes, okay? It's another. It's with this the train.
do you know who he is?
Yeah.
Okay, because I
With
don't.
F.
Whiff, that's his name.
Look, can you open all of my presents?
Yeah, in a minute. How about you look at the camera and say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Look at the camera and say it.
Merry Christmas.
Anything else you have to say? You've got the perfect opportunity.
What is it, Mama?
What is what?
The last word.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe say Happy Holidays so it's fair for everybody.
Happy holidays.
pretty funny, kid. You like your trains?
Yes.
I'm glad. Who do you have to thank for those trains?
Thank you.
To who?
You?
No,
Who?
Santa.
But Santa's not here.
Well, he was here.
Thanks. I said thanks.
Say thanks, Santa.
Thanks, Santa.
Okay, since it's so hard for you. You,
My
you want to
favorite.
say Merry Christmas?
And happy, happy, merry, merry.
Excuse me, say open.